Summit Regional Campground. It's in San Diego, and there's no shade, which is fine. Which is not fine, actually. I really wanted shade, but it's okay. That's the only complaint. But let me show you our campground. We're here with friends. It's my husband's 30th birthday, so he invited his best friend, and his family came, so that'll be exciting. Because we have a 2-year-old, and his best friend also has a 2-year-old, so they're gonna be playing. Let me show you the campsite. So this is campsite 67. So this is the fireplace with all the kiddos. There's my girl Vanessa, her baby Jackie. There's my baby there, Ella. It's okay. It's okay, Mommy. You're Jackie. It is hours later. I'm trying to be present in the moment because we got family here, girls, so I'm sorry. But let me show y'all the tour now. Alright, so we got the 10% tent for my family. If you want to see the inside, I'll gladly show you. So this is where we stay. And then coming out, that's where our truck is. Our friend's gonna be staying here. This is a 6-person tent, so his family's gonna be staying there. We have an extra tent. We're always over prepared. And my sexy man is 30 today. He's making us some burgers. Want to show them, baby? Period. So we're working on that. And then I also reserved another campsite for his family and friends. So this is site 67, which is across from our campsite. There's my babies. Woo! What are you doing?
Over here.
He's showing pictures. He's a cat dad.
He's converted.
Yep.
I told you. Go, Mommy. Ella, go. Go, go, go. Sit down. Whee! Oh. Not you getting out in the middle of the road. Hi. Whoa! Why are you getting out?
Okay, Alexa's got her on her thing.
Yeah.
Hi. Padres.
Period. All right, we're opening presents for the birthday boy.
Baby wipes,
Woo!
baby bags, big pocket.
30, flirty, and thriving. What did he get you, baby?
This is from you.
What is that?
All right.
Headlamps and a flannel.
Ooh.
This is from Alexis. Nice shop shirt.
Show the vlog. Oh, that's cute.
Your style.
People's oils.
He sent me the link. Don't even know.
Did you question?
Oh, nice.
Ooh.
Bump it up.
Period. Let's use it right now. How cute.
It's not done developing.
Show them the other one.
Have black. They were all.
So cute. That's me and Vanessa. Cheese. Say hi, vlog.
It's the bigger the ass, the bigger the speaker.
Look at this crybaby over there. Crying for no reason. We're gonna cheers to my husband even though he's not gonna drink. But me and Vanessa got him.
Good.
We're gonna drink for him.
Are you gonna take one? Yay. Yes? Come here.
Alcohol. Alright, I'm scared. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, I have a measuring cup. You want a measuring cup?
Yeah, if you got sure.
Well, you gotta know what you're drinking. That's what
Yeah,
gets
1,
me.
2, 3, 4.
That's nothing. Like barely.
Hold on, how much alcohol is got? Let me see. You got one more? You want more?
40 proof. 80 proof, 40 proof.
That's good.
Holy shit,
Alright, here you go.
35%? What is that?
Daniel's.
Okay, so 8 seconds?
What flavor is that?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Baby, come cheers. 2 ounces. I think it's a double. Be careful. The next
Okay. Hold on, let me.
Where's the cap?
You want one?
No. I'm saying my little measuring cup was 1 ounce. Yeah, see?
Okay. Ooh, that's a lot. I'm scared. I'm scared.
This is your birthday.
Yeah, come on, old man.
Cranky pants. Celebrate with.
To redo my picture from my last picture was when I was 16.
You look like a baby.
Baby.
We have to do your cake up. Daniel. Be bugging me.
Where's X at?
To Zach.
To Zach, yeah! 30, flirty, and thriving.
Woo!
Woo! Oh, that's good.
That was like a 3 shot.
Yeah. Thank you for making us cake, Mana. Looks good.
Ready? Okay, wait. Look right here at this camera, okay? 1. Okay. 2, 3. She wasn't looking. Happy birthday to you.
Ta ta ta.
Happy birthday to you.
Ta ta ta.
Happy birthday, dear Zach. Happy birthday to you.
And many more, baby. I'm trying to whatever the
Mordida.
Mordida. Mordida. Mordida.
Mordida.
White? Yes, he is.
There you go. But I think it's out of bubble.
Don't touch it.
So cute.
I hit 2 home runs.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
1.
Wait, 1 for my
I
cup.
think I blinked.
1, 2, 3. Got it.
Who's that? It is.
No.
Oh, it's not.
I'll send you the one with Daniel photobombing you too.
Yeah.
Them both. She's not looking. That one's so cute. You can pick.
I think I blinked on one.
No, your eyes are open.
Okay.
Mmm.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. This reminds me of the Oreo shake from Jack in the Box. Mm.
No, I love it.
When you put pull-ups, because pull-ups go like that.
Yeah. Right.
So they have to feel that they're wet. Oh, an Arizona tea, that's right. So she could get in.
That is so cute. Come over here.
Cars, the 2-seaters. Yeah. And Lexi has.
Yeah, I remember that. I have a picture of Chito in there with Lexi.
Really?
Yeah.
That thing curved, man.
Jack, even. You want more? Get his mom?
Good morning. Can you say good morning? Good morning.
Where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God.
Snack cookie. Okay. No more? All done? This is what my mornings look like when my toddler wakes up at the crack of dawn. I mean, she woke up at 5:30. It's still quiet hours right now, so. She was crying in the tent, so this is the only thing that's gonna make her quiet. My baby is scared of airplanes. Can you say airplanes? Where are they? Where are they? It's okay, Cookie. Go get your bike. Go get it. Go get your bike. Where's your bike? Where are you going? Why are you sitting here? It's gone. All done. It went away. Go get your bike. You left your bike there. What do you have to say for the camera?
Well,
Mind you, we're sitting in the middle of the road right now, y'all. Bruh. Come here. Come here. Come here. Wow.
look.
Dada's making Ella some breakfast. Snack. This is pretty cool, huh, baby?
Fucking huge though.
Oh shit, you are right. The ants eating outdoors. You little bunny cookie. Airplane. Eating good? Ow, that's hot. Skip. No. Is Daddy playing with his car? Hi, Cookie. Say hi. Cheers. That's fucking hot. Hi.
No.
Were you climbing up there, Ella?
Bye bye.
I'm gonna go check on Jackie. She would love this.
Yeah, go bring her.
Where do you want to put this? On the table?
It's okay. It's okay, Cookie. Oh, wow, you're so strong.
If have you seen the drifting ones?
No, Ella. No, you cannot go down there like that.
Get one, but for some reason
She's gonna run down there.
more expensive.
You gotta be careful, okay? There we
For
go.
like super simple
She loves running down hills, but not this one. This one has rocks.
trophy truck, you know.
Hey, you gotta be careful, Good job. Oh, very nice.
Yeah. Oh, it's okay. I'll put it in the trailer. Thank you.
Look, Ella. Jackie. Ella, look. Say hi. Hi. Right here, look.
Jackie say
Right, hi. Jeez. Good job. Oh.
Is that a...
You want more? Mmm. Yum.
Is he the new Spider-Man?
Yeah, the
He's done
Spider-Man.
two.
Tom Holland's been Spider-Man since Avengers.
Yeah.
He's the longest running active
Yeah.
Spider-Man.
He has the most Spider-Man movies, but
Hey,
he's never been
we're doing-
alone in his own movie.
Thank you so much for breakfast, Nemo.
He prevents scurvy, right?
Ella, say hi.
Te vas a caer. Get down. Down. Down.
The airplane. It's okay. afternoon. It's coffee time. I offered all of my friends coffee, so we're gonna make them a campfire latte. I was trying to make this drink last camping trip, but we didn't have any hookups or a power bank for this. But since we got an RV spot, they have all the hookups, so we're able to use this baby today. So this latte calls for toasted marshmallow syrup, a little bit of dark chocolate sauce as the Hershey, and I was able to get the Chobani's s'mores creamer, so I'm gonna be adding that, and I actually forgot it, so I'm gonna go get it right now. Coffee grounds are from Blue Rock, San Diego. We got them at Costco, but they were pretty fresh. And we got clear cups, but we don't have lids, but that's fine. Got our little tamper and our little spoon to mix. Let's motherfucking do it. I already turned it on and it's warmed up, ready to go. This is my little espresso cup where I'm gonna be pouring the espresso in. It matches, how cute. I'm gonna be giving all my friends a double shot. Oh my god, that's so funny. This is where my double shot of espresso was this whole time. Oh my, let me go wash that. How cute is this little trash? I put a dog poop bag in here. But it fits perfect. Doing a double shot. croissant, eating a croissant.
The charge niggas 20 G's a session. And the strategy is master. Block thick. It's me that bullshit. I don't give a cop. I'm trying to size a nigga up. I hold my own. It's one note. If I show I kill. You put these K-Max my skill. Cause I'm the king of that. Everybody in my boy. And 2 fucking Cubans. Coming at that logo. But now screams in rage. The hot chick Jamel Irie takes the stage. The sauce in your drink. You had a name.
Nice.
Solomon the Fiend. Bitches ever heard.
And I'm chill like that. I'm chill like that.
Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going?
Oh.
Where are you going?
So we're packing up to leave. Our plan is just to make breakfast and then we're gonna make coffee and get out of here. But it's nice because this campground is only 15 minutes away from us.
Well.
So this one's a 9 cup. My ass, it only holds like 1.5 cup. And then this is a 1 cup. So this mug of the trip is a cup that I got designed when me and my husband went to visit a beautiful coffee shop in Washington. And I'll insert the picture just to show you the photo that we took. I asked this artist to copy the photo and it's absolutely beautiful. So this is my husband and me, and then this is the view of the coffee shop. And then in the back, I just wanted some cute little coffee shop that has my name on it. And yeah, that's the mug of this trip. Every single camping trip, I bring a special mug. I try to make it different just to show you guys slowly my mug collection since I have so many handmade mugs. But yeah, This one's one of them. And I brought this one because it's my husband's birthday weekend, so I wanted to bring one that represents him and our love. Because I don't really have a lot of mugs of him, so this is the only one that I thought of. Nice. Thanks, baby. My sexy man. How does it feel to be 30, flirty, thriving? Brown sugar? Oh, okay. My husband loves a sugary coffee, not me. I like the coffee taste and he loves the creamer taste. He likes the coffee taste as well. It's a balance with him, but he just likes a lot of creamer, so you're gonna see how much creamer I give him. She's just looking at the ground. Hi, Mommy! Hi! It's ready, baby. What is that, baby? The perfect color. Cheers! Why are you putting the tortilla in the coffee? Welcome to my crib. Crib tour. This is the little breakfast setup. We already ate it all. She's making her quesadilla. Period. Period. You making one too, Lani? Nice. No. I just wanted to vlog. I'll turn it off.
Don't mind it here.